Everybody, welcome back to Smith's Customs. Alright, we just got done welding the exhaust on our $3,500 Duramax. The video, it was a pain in the rear trying to get the phone underneath there, get a video welding it. Wasn't very much fun, so I apologize about the video quality. We're going to go ahead and start this thing, and I'm going to try to back it out of the garage. Now, I will note, there's one thing. This brake pedal goes straight to the floor. So I'm going to back this thing out, and I'm actually going to do a video on trying to do an ABS bleed on these real quick. Just because, well, this truck's been sitting a long time, so I don't know if it's air in the lines or if it's just in the ABS itself. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and fire this up. I'm going to try to back it the rest of the way out without hitting anything, hopefully, because of, well, the brake pedal going straight to the floor. And we're actually going to hear what this thing sounds without an exhaust leak too. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get this thing out. And then we'll do the ABS bleed on it. Grab my phone, we'll do a quick walk around to this guy real quick. And then I'll break in on how we're going to do that ABS bleed. Actually, no, maybe I'll make a separate video for the ABS bleed. That way it's not all pumped into one. Now you can see, I finally got some smoke coming out of it now that we got the exhaust hooked up. But there was a lot of unburnt diesel in that exhaust, I believe, from when the guy was working on this previously. So we're gonna wait and see if that clears up. Sounds pretty good. Once I can get it running, get it warmed up, we're gonna go ahead and we'll hook up the monitor and see what our balance rates and everything are. Alright, well, that'll be it on this video. Let me get the scanner and everything, and we'll come back in with a ABS bleed procedure. If you're following along, hey, I appreciate the support. If you're just tuning in, hey, like, subscribe, share. There's lots more to come. Alright, with that being said, well, I'll catch you guys on the next one.